This thing's fun.
Hey everyone, you're watching Big Drone Flyer 77. When we come back, I got the Extreme Airboard. This is from AIRHOGS right after this. Hey, welcome back everybody. I sure appreciate you watching this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Hey, Donnie here, and today I went and actually bought this AIRHOGS. This is Extreme Airboard. Also, you'll see it like on Banggood.com. They'll have an Eachine, Paraglider. I forgot what the model number is, but you can also find it on gearbest as well. They have their version. This one's actually pretty cool. I got this over at Target. So I have a Target here. I live in California, USA, and we have quite a few Targets around here. And I actually seen this online, and the price was just under $20. And when I went to my Target, it actually was showing that it was like $39.99, so which is pretty outrageous. It's definitely not worth that much. So what you need to do is go, like if you have your phone, bring your phone in, show them the price online, and they'll go and match it to their online price. So like I said, I picked this up just under $20. This one's pretty cool because I was able to walk right in, buy it. There's no shipping, all that you would have to pay extra for, like at those other sites. But the only downfall is with this one is that it only has the one battery in here, and I'm not too sure. I didn't go and try to take this apart. I'm not too sure if you can swap out this battery or not with like the Eachine. That's the good thing about Banggood and gearbest, is they actually give you an option to get 2 or 3 batteries. So it's just up to you guys. If you want to wait a month to order it from those sites and get it, so you can have the extra batteries, that's fine. But if you want to just run to the store and pick one up, like I said, Target has it if you have a Target near you. Another good thing about Target is they go and they'll match your price. So say you see this at Walmart, and Walmart has it for like $5 cheaper. Just show Target that price and they'll match it and then beat it by like 5 or 10%. So you can actually save even more money. But anyways, I'll leave the links for the Banggood and Eachine site there. Gearbest site there, so you can see their version of this. So, but anyways, let's get to the AIRHOG version. I like this thing a lot. I took this thing for a flight indoors, and it's awesome. You guys are going to see the outdoor flight here in just a minute. This guy comes all unassembled, which is really easy. He just goes right in here and clips in. They do give you 4 extra props here, and they actually give you a prop tool to remove the props on this, which makes it nice. So like I said, it only has the one battery. You got the charger here, which just plugs in right here on the side. So I think it only takes about an hour and a half. We'll see what the flight time is when I go outside and test this. The paraglider right here, of course, is fake. It's just for the looks, but it is pretty cool. You just pop this on. This comes unassembled. It just locks in on each side here, and then on the actual guy, on the back of his hands here, there's little notches here that you can go and slide this in. So when you want to convert it over, these just pop in. They pop in here. And then you got the other one on this side here. The other hand just slides in there, kind of snaps in a little. And then right here by his backpack, sorry, I'll get you back in camera. Right here by his backpack, there's a little piece here. So it just snaps in right there as well. Try to get you to focus here. It's a little bit of a struggle, but it's pretty simple. It's just hard for me to see it because it's black right there. So there we go. And then you just go and you unsnap the guy, and this actually just, let me try to get this in focus here. All right, this actually just slides right in here, You just pop this in, and then you just pull it, and it should just snap right in. You want to go sideways. You don't want to break the cage here that protects the propellers. And then this one just goes and snaps in on this side. Okay, and then you're all set. So you'll want to take off like this when you're in the paraglide mode, and then and it'll actually fly this way and then side to side. But when this is off right here and you got the man on top, you want to follow these arrows, because then when he's actually surfing on top, which I'll show you in the video outside, is that he's actually going to be flying like he's surfing. So you'll pop him in here, pop him back in here real quick, and then you see the arrows right here. That's which way he'll be going, like this. You want to face him this way, so he'll be going forward, back, sideways. So let me show you the controller real quick here. You got the power button. Just hold it for a second, it comes on. You got the 1 key takeoff, 1 key land. You got your trim buttons here. When you're in paraglide mode, you want to click that. You want to go and click the switch over to the paraglider. So I'm glad they got it all labeled here for you. Like right now, he's in like the surfing style, so you want to click it over that way. So that way the drone can prepare itself for the correct flight. So let me shut this back off. So here's your little trick button here. Do 360 flips, and then it does some other little stunts like little whirlies and stuff like that. I'll show you guys out there on the flight. But other than that, there's no rates on here. So it's just a one speed, which is fine. When it's flying in this mode is the fastest. When you got it in paraglide, it's a lot slower. I do recommend it for indoors only, but outside you'll see the test, and right now we're having about maybe 2 to 3 mile an hour gusts, so we'll see how it does, guys. Right now let's go to, well, before I go to the manual, I want to show you, here's the on and off button right here. So you just click it over to the right, and then left to shut off. So the manual here, got a little card here for warranty, and then you got your English version right here. So it's just a fold out paper. It tells you how to clip everything on, what the functions are on the controller, and how to do the tricks and stuff like that. It takes 2 AAAs. Those are not included in the controller here. You have to push this down, maybe with like a little pin or something. Then you can slide this out and put the batteries in. So, alright guys, let's go ahead and go outside and take this thing for a flight and see how it does. Alright guys, hey, I'm out here with the Air Hogs. This is the Paraglider. I picked this thing up, as you guys seen in the unboxing there from Target. So I'm going to do a test flight. I'm going to try it in the paraglide mode. So I got it clicked to number 2 here. Got the little guy all hooked up here. He just snaps in right here, and then you just snap on the top. Well, look, it looks like a parachute, but it really isn't. It's just for looks. But I'm going to try this out, you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on here. Alright, that's lit up. A little on switch here. And you're just going to lay them down like so. Lay them down, and then you can go and press 1 key takeoff, or you can just press up and it'll start the motor. So there we go. Alright. Wind caught it for a minute. It's starting to get windy here, you guys, but in this mode it flies sideways. And you guys will see in the other mode, it will fly, it'll actually fly like he's surfing. So this thing's pretty cool. It's only got 1 rate, so there's no couple rates on here. It's only 1 rate. The only downfall on this one, as you guys could see, like the Eachine comes with a couple batteries. So does the one from Banggood. This one does not, but I picked this up for pretty cheap at Target. So just look online, you guys. A lot of times you'll walk in the store and they'll have like an outrageous price. Just go online and the price is usually almost in half, and then you go into the store and tell them, hey, here's the online price, and they'll go and set it to that price. Or if you find it cheaper at another store, they'll beat it by like 5 or 10% as well. So I'm gonna go through some of the modes here. If you just press this once, it goes into a little twirly mode here by itself. Let me bring it back again, and then if you go and press it and hold and go to the right, it does this kind of, I don't know what you want to call that, but it makes them go forward and back. So I believe that's the only trick for this mode here. I'll press it and hold it to the right. Okay, that's a circle mode. It's doing it by itself, so we'll try that again. It's gonna be loud out here because there's kids swimming at the pool, so let's try this mode again. There we go. It just does a little whirlwind there. But this thing's actually fun, you guys. I like it. Indoors, it's really fun. But you can bring it outdoors as long as it's only a couple mile-an-hour wind. And it's pretty short range, so you don't want to go too far, you guys. So anyways, let me go ahead and bring this down. So all you have to do is press the 1 key land here. Let me bring this guy back over here. The wind's trying to catch it. Alright, let me press the 1 key land. Then you can kind of guide it and let them lay down. Sometimes, like indoors, they'll lay and land just right. So, but I just wanted to show you that quick mode real fast here, and I'm going to go ahead and disconnect this and show you guys when I hook the guy up here on the board. So stay tuned for that. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got the guy connected here. This one's going to be a little bit more trickier, so you can go ahead and click this over to him standing on the board, and now this is actually going to fly at a sideways angle. So you look for the arrow here, and that'll tell you which way's forward, so that way you can have them set up and ready to go. So let me go ahead and turn this on, get this all going here. I'm going to do a 1 key takeoff here. Let me turn the controller on. 1 key takeoff. There we go. Alright, so now it's like he's windsurfing. This thing's awesome, you guys. I actually really like this toy. It's pretty fun. I haven't taken the bottom off to see if the battery can be changed out like the Eachine, but it looks like it does come off, so I think that's pretty cool. But this thing's actually pretty fun. It's got little tricks here too. If you hold this button down here, he goes into a little twirly thing too. I'll bring it back over here, and then if you hold it and go to the right, it'll do a flip. And if you hold the button again and go to the left, it'll do another sideways flip here. So that's basically it for the tricks on this. So not much of a trick deal, but I just wish it had one more rate would be perfect. You only get about 5 minutes of flight time, but you know, this thing goes pretty good, especially in this mode without the little parachute. It actually flies pretty quick. This thing's fun. Definitely fun indoors too, you guys. You can tell the battery's getting a little low because it's starting to drop down. And let's see here. Yep, starting to lose a little bit of control here. Like I said, you only get about 4, maybe 5 minutes if you're lucky. So, yep. So when it's not pulling out of the flips, that means the battery's getting pretty low. So you can actually just hold up and it'll start the motors as well. But yeah, this thing's definitely fun, especially for kids. I think your kids will have a blast with this. And for it to be over at Target is pretty cheap. Because then if you have a Target, you know, I'm in the US, California, so we got a lot of Targets around here. So, you know, it saves on shipping. and if they don't have it at your Target, you can have it sent to your house, free shipping and everything. So, but like I said, don't forget, check the online prices, because this was under $20. At the store they wanted I think it was $39.99, which was outrageous. I would not pay that for this. But all you do is just go to the customer service. Oh, the wind's picking up. So anyways, you guys, this thing's starting to fade out. The battery's going dead. The downfall with the AIRHOG is there's no second battery, but I believe you can replace it. Looks like this unclips here, so, and you can see it's flashing a little red light in here. That means the battery's getting low, so it was gonna land anyways. So, but yeah, anyways, go to the customer service, show them the price online, and they'll match that price. And like I said, if you find it cheaper at another store like Walmart, and you're at Target, show them that Walmart price, and they'll beat it by 5%, you guys. So, you know, check out Target. I bought this for myself because I thought it was cool. I've seen a couple videos, and it's actually super fun, you guys. I really enjoy it. It's a really good flyer. So I'll leave a few links down below in the descriptions. You can get the Eachine version, or you can get the one from gearbest.com. They have this as well. I forgot what the name of it is there. I know it's Paraglider, but I don't know what the model number is, but I'll leave links for that as well. They come with extra batteries. You can order like 2 or 3 batteries. So, but if you want to just run into Target, this is definitely worth it, you guys. So, all right, thanks for watching. Like always, guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying. That thing's fun.